Yeah. Hello. 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 Hmm? Ba 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 ba. Okay. I'm just going to assume that the stream is running. Haha. Things might be a little janky. Sorry for that. Haha. Okay. So today we're going to basically do a little bit of coding. That's right. We're going to be coding with me. Ah, that's right. Coding with me. I'm still not very good. So, yeah. Forgive me if I'm not that good. I'm just here trying my best. Okay. Alright, so let's do this. Okay, so for the first one, oh, I already did this. Okay, so what I'm working on is actually the Galvanize advanced pre-assessment practice. So it's a bunch of problems that they get you to work through. I vaguely remember this from the first time I've done it, but like, I'm redoing it. Okay. Boop, boop. Okay. Oops. Alright. I was like, wait, hold on a second. I have to read the problem. Okay. Okay, let me read the problem first. So what you see on screen, okay, that's not it. That was my old problem that I was working on. Okay, so the new problem that I'm working on, it's called convert array to object. Write a function, transform array to object. Okay, so function, transform array to object. Okay, we don't know what parameters it takes yet because I didn't get to there yet. Okay. Let's see. So write a function, transform array to object, which takes in an array of arrays. Okay. So this is going to take an array of arrays and returns an object which with each pair of elements in the array as a key value pair. So for example, the input for the parameter, or not the input, so what the argument is, I need to remember what argument and parameter are. They're two different things. I mean, technically, well, the parameter is basically what you put in. It's just this thing in the between the parentheses, and the argument is what is actually the thing that you put in. Well, anyway, the input should look something like this. We can use const here. I'm going to make a const variable. Const input equals, so it's going to take an array of arrays. So let's do, let's do this. ENVtuber. Haha. And my favorite, my Oshi is Estelle. And you know what? We can keep going. Wait, there we go. Yeah, so it needs to be like that. And then, he's, okay, let's see. Agency, he's part of Hollow Stars. There we go. And, let's see. Game, he plays a lot of Apex. my oshi, my oshi. So let's see. So how it's supposed to look like when you put it all together. It should look, so this is how the return, this is how it's supposed to look like. So when we put it together, it should look something like this. VTuber should be named Astel. The agency should be Hollow Stars. And game should say Apex, like that. It should resemble something like that anyway. That's what we want our result to look like. Okay, so let's start whiteboarding this out, okay? Let's see. So the first thing that I need to finish reading the prompt, actually. I need to finish reading the prompt. So that's like one of my problems. I need to like finish reading everything before, continuing on, because that's just what I do. I read something like halfway and I'm just like, okay, I can just skip the rest, right? No. Read the whole thing. Okay, let's see. So this is how the output should look like. And the rest of the instructions say, do not change the input string. Assume that all elements in the array will be of type string, okay? Note that the input may have a different number of elements than the given sample. For instance, if the input had 6 values instead of 4, your code should flexibly accommodate that. Yeah. That shouldn't be too hard. Okay, so, let's see. Let me clear that. Alright, so this is how it's supposed to look. Okay, so we're going to straight up console.log, transform, and we're going to put, the input here. Okay, so this console log down here should give us whatever is in here, right? So like say return hi. That should run, and yeah, so the console gives us hi. Yeah, very good. Okay, so I did the console log, and that tells me, hooray! My console log works. Yeah, I mean, it's a good thing to have console log work. Okay, so what we want is, so what we need to do is declare an empty object as a variable? Question mark. Yeah, I think it's like a variable or const or let. One of those, right? And in the end, we're going to return the object variable, which will no longer be empty. It's going to have all our information. Yeah, it's gonna have all our information. Okay, and then, so what we need to do is iterate through the array. Yeah, we iterate through the array, and then we assign the index, the 0 index, to the first index? Okay, that doesn't make any sense in my brain. I don't know how to verbalize this, but, to the first index. That doesn't make any sense. I don't know how to, I don't know how to, verbalize this, but I do know that assigning objects, like, all you do is, like, assign it. Hi, freshly squeezed. I'm currently working on, so this is the galvanize. It's converting an array to an object. That's what I'm doing. Let me just copy and paste the instructions. I'm just dumb, okay? Oops. I'm just really, really dumb. But yeah, I mean, if I'm going to eventually figure out how to code, I might as well, you know, figure out how to code. But yeah, this is the instructions. Write a function which takes in an array of arrays and returns an object with each pair of elements in the array as a key value pair. So, I mean, if I'm iterating through the array, so if I assign it to the 0 and for the key and 1 for the value, that should get it for me, right? that should get me the object. Oh, thank you. Yeah, coding is hard. This is I guess this isn't exactly beginner level. But I am definitely beginner level. I am not that great. Which is why, you know, practice makes perfect. Alright, so I think this is it. This is all I need to do, right? Well, I mean, if it doesn't work, I will just console log. So console log is my favorite thing because it tells me everything that I'm doing wrong. Yeah, we all have to start from somewhere, right? Yeah, so the reason why I'm doing this is because my technical communication is very, very poor. But you know what? I can talk a lot. I can talk a lot. Oh man, I had to stop myself from playing Apex. I opened up my stream and I was like, wow, I want to play Apex. but no, I should probably study. Yeah, we all start from somewhere. Okay, so let's first declare an empty object variable. So let's use a let. So this one will be our object, and that will be empty. And we're going to return an object. Oh man, thanks for the follow, freshly squeezed. I'm so sorry that, you know, this is the first thing you see. This is going to be so embarrassing because I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, let's see. So we have our object and we return a empty object. So when we run it, we should have an, yeah, see, look at that. We have an empty object that is returned. So therefore, my function and my console log is working perfectly, which is what I wanted. All right, so now we have to go iterate through the array. So we're gonna take the index and we're gonna name it I, let I of array. This should actually, let's console.log I. It's okay. You can come learn with me. You can come learn with me. We can learn how to code together. Alright, so the console log here worked. So we can see in the console that, you know, all the stuff in our input shows up here in our console. So that's exactly what I want. But I want something more. I would just want, what if I just want the 0 index? Yes, so 0 index gives us that, and the first index should give me Asta, Whole Stars, and Apex. And yes, awesome. So I'm running into a problem where I already think I'm wrong with something, cause let's see, object, array. Oh, I don't need to iterate through it, do I? If I just, hold on. No. Okay, so if I just wrote, but if I just did this, this is wrong, right? Because it won't. This will only give me the first one? Yes! Okay, so something's wrong here. Okay, so this is not right. Okay, my brain is already on the fritz. What am I doing wrong? Okay, so, okay, so, let's see. So, what if we did, okay, we have the console log here, so, let's see, array I, what does that give us, array I? Oh, that's wrong. So if it's just I, then, okay, I, and then what if we, oops, I want the first one. Okay. So what if it's object I0 is equal to I1? What if it's like that? I did it! 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 Right. Yeah! Look, this is the format that we wanted. Except, yeah, and that's a string, that's a string, that's a string. I did it, I did it, I did it, I did it, I did it. Okay, I'm just gonna plonk all this into, the... Thank you. Okay. I mean, I don't know how I did it, but I did it. Okay, so awesome. My test results passed there. Okay, so now we move on to question 4. Okay. This is question 4. Okay. So question 4 says, we're going to write a function called list all values. The result is here. That's true. Somehow I did it. I don't know how, but I just knew that if I flip some things, voila, there's going to be a result that I might needed. Okay. Let's see. Write a function called list all values. Okay, function list all values. Awesome. And it's going to return an array of all the input object's value. What? So are we taking a parameter of object? Okay, let's see. I guess we're taking a parameter of object, and the function will return an array. So this is gonna return an array. So maybe we need to declare an empty array variable. Okay. Oh, okay, I get it. So we're just grabbing the values from an object. Okay. Alright, so... Okay. I mean, I could use this, but what if I don't? We're going to make our own variable. Okay, constant, let's make hololive as the input. Hololive input. I've been watching so many hololive videos. I'm so sad that Choco is leaving. I'm so sad. Choco Kaicho, don't leave. Okay. I guess we'll go, let's see, grab it. We're gonna write Cora, shark, Gura, and dragon. We're going to have Choco Kaicho. Hi, Choco Kaicho. Ikenai. Okay. Alright. And then the result should look, How should the result look like? How does the output look like? Oh, yes. It should just look like this. Gura, and Choco. Okay, that's how the result should look like here. Yes. Alright. I'll just make a note. This is how the output should look like. Okay, okay. Alright. Okay, so function. Okay, let's see. We just want the values of the object. Okay, so in order to do that, we need to... Can we iterate through objects? Well, I don't know, but we can definitely use for in. So let's do that. Let's do this. Okay, so first of all, we have a empty array that will eventually push all the results to return R. Okay, and then for let I in object. Yeah. So for the I in object, let's console log I to see what's going on in the code. Oh, and we need a console log for the function. List all values. And the argument we're gonna put in is actually hollow live input. Great. Okay. Okay. So this should get, okay, that gets us the key and not the value. How do you get the value? Is it object I? Yeah, okay, so it's object I. Okay, so array.push. What did we say it was? Object of I. Yeah, and that just gets us straight up the names of the HoloLive girls. The rabbit, shark, and dragon is Pecora, Gura, and Choco. Hooray! Okay, I'm going to just copy and paste this over. And did we get all the values? Hell yeah! Oh, so good. Okay, moving on. Okay, moving on. Alright. Okay, the next one, convert array to objects. More arrays and objects. Oof. Okay. So this here is the question. So it says, yeah, I'm a fast learner! Okay, so some of this, I'm so glad that I'm not taking like half an hour to do one problem. Because sometimes it takes me like 2 hours to get through one problem and I'm just like, my brain is melting. I don't know why. Alright, so we're going to write a function called transform employee data. Okay, function transform employee data. And I assume that there's going to be an input of some sort. It looks like it's going to be an array. Okay. I already know we're going to have to... Oh, never mind! Are we returning an object within an array? Oh, great. This already... Okay. Let's see. So we're going to transform the data from one format to another. The argument will look like... Okay, I'm just going to use the argument that they give here. I'm going to steal that. Actually, I'm just going to copy paste. Okay. And we're going to comment that out. Given the input, the return value should look like this. So this is an array, but everything is an object within the array. Okay, note that the input may have a different number of rows or different keys in the given sample. For example, let's say the HR department adds a t-shirt size field to each employee record. Your code should flexibly accommodate that. Okay. Question mark. Okay, so what they did was turn this into an object. Right? Yes, so all of this becomes an object. Okay, so it's everything that I did in the past 2 exercises, but put together. Oh my god. Okay, let me copy this. So, okay. Alright, so I have to put everything that I learned in the past 2 exercises together into this problem. Can I do it? This is the real test. Oh man. Ooh, ooh. Okay, first of all, let's write that console log because otherwise I don't even know what I'm doing. Okay, so it's gonna be the input. Let's just make sure the console log works. Console.log. Okay. Okay, console log works, and oh my god. I don't like looking at objects or arrays, but sad life. Okay. Oh my god. This is already stressing me out because I see this whole thing is one array. This is a second array, and there's like a billion little arrays. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 arrays? Cries. How do you deal with all these arrays? Okay, so let's see. First, this needs to spit out. Okay, so we know the return result. Just apply what you learned. Yeah, exactly. Just apply what you learned. Okay, so what I learned is that I need to break down the problem. Okay, so what I know that I need to do is declare a result variable, and we're going to return that result variable. And in between that, we need to iterate through the first array. Well, but what if there's like multiple ones? Okay, so we iterate through the first layer of the array. Let's just see that first, because I think we need to iterate again through another array layer to get to what we need. But if there's like a bunch of like different stuff from like the note that the input may have a different number of rows or different keys in the given sample. Well, let's just start and see where we get. So first we have, how's this supposed to look? Okay, so I think the first thing should be an array. We're gonna just call this result, and it's going to be an array. So we're gonna return result. Okay. Ooh, and then let's see, 4. Should I use just like, yeah, let's go. What's a for let I in array? Let's console.log I. Let's see what I is. Oh, that's right. It's just the index. Okay, R of I. Okay. How do we... okay. Question mark. Question mark. Question mark. Okay. Okay. It's okay. I got this. It's okay. I got this. So what we want is... yeah! Maybe let's go down one level deeper. Let J in R of I. Let's console log that out. Let's console.log what J is. What's J? A bunch, okay. R of I of J. Sweet! 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 Okay, okay, we're getting somewhere now. Okay. Alright, so what happens if I add 0 to this? So we get the first name and the last name. If we have it on the first index, we... okay, sweet. Okay. Okay, so there needs to be an object, isn't there? Because all of this is an object. Maybe if I just do this? R, I, J, 0. Oh, I think I did. No, I didn't do this wrong. Okay. I think I'm just doing it very not optimally. I feel like this is... okay, okay. What if we... question mark. Actually, I don't want to return result. Let me return object because I want to see... okay. Alright. Okay. So... we got the last one, but somehow because this is iterating... because this keeps iterating, this loop here is iterating over the first entry and the second entry, so therefore it's returning the second entry because it's overriding it. Like it does the first one and then it moves on to the second one. How do I not make it do that? Oh, you know what? This let object needs to be in here, doesn't it? Okay, so when we have that, how do I push the object into result? Do I just do this? R.push obj, and then here we just return result. Oh wait, this shouldn't be R, this should be result. Result! Okay! 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 I did it! But the format is weird. So the first one, it's all in a row. The second one, why is there a weird? I don't understand. Clear that. The formatting is weird. I don't get why the formatting is so weird, but this is the format that we wanted, right? I mean, we have both of them. Did something go funky here? It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. All right. So yeah, I feel like this is it. I'm gonna put this in and. Voila! Voila! Yeah. Okay. Okay. This is like very suboptimal, I think. Sorry, wrong window. Here it is. Okay. Alright. I feel like this is like super suboptimal, but you know what? It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Moving on! As long as the input array doesn't differ from the example format, it should be fine. Cause like even if you added like say even if you added a t-shirt size, like say this t-shirt size, yes. Even if you did this, oh, boop, 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 boop. Do, 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 do. It shouldn't matter. Yeah, t-shirt size small, t-shirt size M. Yeah, we got it. Heck yeah. Ugh. So good. All right, moving on. Haha. Yeah. Okay. I know! Thank you! Thank you for cheerleading me! Thank you so much! Alright. Number 3, we're going to write a function called convert object to array, which converts an object literal into an array of arrays. Okay. Function convert object to array that takes an object literal, so this one's an object, and it's going to convert into an array of arrays. Console.log convert whatever the object. So this one's the argument here. Okay. Boop 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 boop. Input. Haha. Okay. After this, I'm gonna play some Apex. I want to play Apex so bad. I'm suffering from withdrawal. Okay. Alright. Convert. Huh? What was I doing? Huh? Right. I need to convert this object into an array of arrays. And I already put the console log here. Let's put the console log at the very bottom. Yeah, let's do that. Very bottom. Hehe. Okay. Alright. How do I approach this problem? So it's a bunch of objects. Why can't I just do this? Why can't I just do this return object? Why couldn't it? No! It couldn't just be that easy. It couldn't just be that easy. I mean, if it was that easy, you know, everyone would be a software engineer. I just want to play Apex. Apex, please. I want to play. No. Okay. I want to play Apex. So here we have to declare a array variable. Let's play Apex. And we're going to return the array result variable. I don't even know what I'm typing anymore, but this needs to be the result. So, okay. And then what we need to do is question mark, question mark, question mark. What am I doing? So because it's an object, why can I not just use object dot, what is it? Values? Object not keys? Why can't I do that? Why can't I do that and put into the result array? What, like, does the problem prohibit me from doing this? No? No? Okay. Okay, let's do that. We're going to, a let variable named result. We're going to assign an empty array. I'm going to return result. Okay. Alright, and right now we have the object, so let's, for let I in object. Actually, why don't we just, oh, I'm gonna try console logging. Console log object, wait, obj? How do I, okay, I'm just gonna look up MDN real quick, object.keys. What is the syntax? Okay, object.keys, obj. So that should get me the keys, right? Yeah, sweet. And object.values, I think. And that should get me, okay. And what we need to do is have the what is it? The keys and the values paired together into an array. Oh my god, so this is like the complete opposite of what we did. So this is the complete opposite of what we did. We have to undo what we did in the last one. Okay. That's doable. That's doable. Or is it? It's okay. I got this. I got this. Or do I? Okay. Object values. Hey. Thank you! Thank you for cheerleading me. I really appreciate it. Normally it's just me staring at a screen going, what is wrong with me? Aha. 難しいな. Okay. Maybe I do iterate through it. Maybe if I iterate through it, I can pull. But I would have two different. Maybe I'm thinking about it too hard. Let me see. For let I of obj console.log I. Oh, let's comment those out. Object is not iterable. Dang it. Oh wait, because it's an of. Should be in. It's a for in loop. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Let me see. And then let's see. For let j in object, right? What am I doing? Console.log j. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay. OBJ. Object I. This gets me... Okay, so that gets me the values. So... result dot push? How do I get it to just loop between the two? I think I need to go one level deeper. I don't think I was wrong earlier. In OBJ I? Is that? Ooh. Console.log J 1, 2, 3, 4. What? That's too many. That's too many. That's too many. That's not what I want. What's happening? Well, let's just try it. Result dot push obj I. That. That's no different from me saying console.log object key and value. I might as well just make these two like a value. So if I have them as, you know, an array, if I have both arrays, how do I combine arrays? Let me try it. Just combine arrays. Yeah. Const keys? Keys. Hi, Leo Mendezum. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just like I'm just trying to puzzle everything out. Whoops, this one. Values? Hello. Welcome to this very jank coding session where I study and I'm just very bad at everything. What? Let me just console.log keys? Values? Does that work? Okay, I mean, no, not really. I mean, now they are together in a array, they're just not in the correct order. Objects in JS is a mess, don't worry. It's definitely a mess, and it's messing with my head trying to wrap my brain around objects. I'm just like, how do I turn an object and convert it into an array? Like, how to make the keys and values of an object equivalent, and output it into an array of arrays. So it would be so much easier if objects were iterable, but objects are not iterable. I mean, I guess I could use map, but what's the point of using map? Like, because like this specifically calls for objects, so I guess I'm gonna go onto MDN. Okay. MDN. Okay. Maybe I just need to like both keys and values methods are iterable. Really? I thought they weren't iterable. Like, I thought objects weren't iterable. What? Because, like, when you try... Okay, maybe I don't know what I'm talking about. Because I'm also very new. Just trying to learn JavaScript. Okay, okay. Because, like, in my brain right now, I'm only thinking about Apex. I just want to play Apex. I haven't played all night, and I just want to play Apex. Alright. Thanks, Freshly Squeezed. Have a good night. Thanks for hopping in. I appreciate you. Thank you for all the cheerleading. Okay. Okay, okay. I should... What? Let me see, let me see. Yeah, so I can do object keys, so I have all of that. I think I understand what you're saying. Like, just take the evaluated results of keys and values, loop through it, and like combine it into like what we see here, right? I think I understand what you're saying, and I'm just like, I mean, why don't I just do that? It's just so much easier. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, because I was thinking something else. But you know what? Sometimes simple is best. I don't know why I was just hung up on, you know, other stuff. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Oh. Should this be a of loop? Or for of? For of loop? Or should I just write... So I still don't understand the difference between, like, using a for of loop and writing out, like, the actual thing. Like, for let I equals 0, I is less than keys or whatever, keys.length, versus, yeah, for let I of keys. Like, sometimes I would encounter things where, I need to write it out with all the, like, loopy thingies. Yeah. Yeah. But, well, I think in this case, like, I can just use, like, the for of loop. Yeah, so it's, like, here we have... Hold on. Console.log keys I. Sorry. This should be I. Just use the normal loop. Yeah, because this is keys, right? Yeah, you're right. Because this is I of keys, and I need the index. You're right. You're right. Oh, so smart. Too smart for me. Sensei. What? What am I doing? I is less than... Let's just go keys. Oh, thanks for the follow. I plus plus. I appreciate it. And also I appreciate, the help you're giving me right now. Okay. Yay, sweet. I do have the index now. Okay, and so this keys, I. And, yep, we have names, blah, blah, blah. Console.log, let's do values, I. And do we have... Sweet! We got it! Okay. So this should be a result.push. Push? Hold on. we push both of them, right? Keys of I and values I into the result. But I feel like something funky is going to happen if I do that. I feel like I'm missing a step. But you know what? I don't know what it is, so I'm going to try it. I'm just gonna try it. Yeah, I do know I need to push an array, but I feel like something funky is going to happen. That's why I'm just like, I'm just going to try it and see what the hell is happening. Push. Is it? Looked up keys? No, values. Okay, I'm gonna comment that out. Huh. Well, what do you know? Okay, so I had to write out push both times. Only one push. So do I just write values I like this? Can I do that? Oh no! Oh no! You're right! It's an array of arrays! It's an array of arrays! So, add braces. An array, add braces. I added braces, is that? Do you know? You just broke my brain? Oh my god! That was so good! GG! No, thank you! GG! That was so good! I didn't know you could do that! Thank you! I learned something today. Oh my god! Oh my god! I didn't know you could do that! That's so cool! Thank you for teaching me that! Oh my god! My friend told me that JavaScript is kind of loose with some of their stuff, so you can do whatever you want. But man, that just broke my brain! That's so good! Thank you. I appreciate it so much. Oh my god. Yes, now I do know. Oh my god. I knew that, like, I needed to get an array of arrays, but... Oh my god. That's so good. Okay, I'm gonna run this into my JavaScript testing. Yay! Okay, it works! Woo! Oh my god! Thank you so much. Thank you. I appreciate it. that was so good. Like, today I learned. Okay. Alrighty. So, for now, moving on, we're going to find the shortest element. Okay, this one shouldn't be that hard. I know how to do that. Write a function called find shortest element. Function find shortest element, and looks like it takes an array. Given an array, find shortest element returns the shortest string within the given array. Let's see, if there are ties, they should return the first element to appear. If the given array is empty, it should return an empty string. Okay. Okay, so... okay, so first off, we're going to need to have a result variable. We're going to return the result variable. Should be equal to empty string. Yeah. Cause like, yeah, because if the given array is empty, it should just return an empty string. Okay, awesome. So, let's see. Boop. Okay, so let's console log this first. Haha, console.log, find shortest element. What's the output? Output. Sweet. Hehe. Okay. So we need to iterate through the array. And then let's see, do we take the just console log output? Huh? Question mark? Just console log output? Oh, you're saying console.log output? Why? Oh, it's undefined. Oh, I get it, because it's this. This is already the function. Okay, I see what you mean. Okay. Brain derp, sorry. You're right. Yeah, I see what you mean. I was like, what? Question mark. But yeah, this is already, it's already written out. Okay, there we go. Haha. Okay, so we iterate through the array. And when we're in the array, we need to, let's see, does it want the first one? It should return the first element to appear. So we compare the length of the first element. Wait, no, we compare the length of the other elements to the first element. And if the first one is shortest, return the first element. Yeah. Sounds about right? Yeah, something like that. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let result equal empty string. We're going to return result. Okay, gonna drink some of my coffee. Otherwise, I'm gonna go to sleep before I can play Apex. I just want to play Apex now. Oh, I think after this, I'm gonna play some Apex. I'm like a crack cocaine addict, but only for Apex. Okay. Okay, so for let in array of array? No, it should be in. Okay. I'm just gonna console.log that I real quick. I of R? R of I? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, so we have that. R of I. Okay. Alright. If R 0, right? Dot length is less than R I? Okay, let's see. Let's see. If it's less than or equal to, right? Return the shortest string. If there are ties, it should return the first element. And return. So result equals R0. Wait. I forgot length dot length. Okay. Well, I do get A, but what if I turn this around? What if it's 3, 2, A? Yeah, that's what I thought. Result, if the result of, okay, if 0 is less than or equal to return. Okay. Okay, this is wrong. Alright, so, this only works if we know the first one is the shortest one. So, that's wrong. Can we sort the array by length? Actually, you know what? Let's see. We just need to find the shortest. If ri dot length. No, we have to compare it to something. So if the first one is, if no. I think I got it. If it's less than or equal to r of I, so if they're the same length, no. It has to be less than. There we go. If it's true, then we will continue. If at any case that this is true, return, no. Result equals R0, right? Otherwise, else it's Ri. Result equals Ri. I feel like that's not gonna work. I got A for some reason! Oh my god! Oh, but what if we had some other stuff, like effects, or like gun, or like eye. And it gave me Apex. Okay. Okay. So I'm iterating through the array. There's someone in my house. I don't know who that is. Hold on. There's someone in my house. Okay, this is creepy. I'm gonna go find out who's in my house. Okay, so I'm guessing it's my stepdad's guests. I don't know who they are. I don't know what they're doing here. But I guess he's talking to them. I don't know who they are. They seem kind of, I don't know. Are they I don't know if they're like trying to like sell him something or what, but not too comfortable because it sounds like they're trying to like get him to buy something or like sell something. Yeah, because I just heard they were asking, oh, hey, are you ever going to sell your cars? And like um, we have like 4 cars parked outside, but the reason is because like people rent rooms in this house, and so that's why there's a bunch of cars outside. They don't all belong to us. So I don't know. I don't know. This is kind of fishy, but well, I can't say anything. All right. So weird. Okay. I'm just going to continue. I'm just going to continue on coding, but I'm going to keep an ear out just in case something weird is happening. Uh, okay. Something really weird is happening outside my house, so. Okay. This is. I feel like I need to go and keep an eye out for my stepdad because he's already been like scammed a bunch of times by like quote unquote Microsoft support people. Oh my god. It's so bad. It's so bad. Well, whatever. I'll keep an ear out just in case something goes down. Okay. Alright. So we want the shortest length. Yeah. Oh my god. Like, my stepdad is really, really stubborn. He thinks he knows everything, but he really doesn't. Like, he's been scammed by Microsoft, quote unquote Microsoft support people, and also like Adobe people. He's like, wait, but I bought a subscription, and I'm just like, but this isn't even, Adobe that you subscribe to or whatever. You just he was like, yeah, I just need to pay like $3,000 and I get Adobe forever. I'm just like, no, no, that's not how it works. Yeah. So trying to protect, older folks from scams is really hard, especially when they think, oh yeah, this is exactly how it works. I don't need any help. So, yeah. Okay, okay. Anyway, this is wrong. So, because we need to compare the shortest value to yeah. Actually, if the array, hold on. If the array is empty, if length 0, we just straight up return result. My brain just read that. Oh my god. Okay, you know what? It's getting weird, so I'm gonna actually end stream and I need to go like check on my stepdad because something just doesn't seem right. Okay, I will talk to y'all later. Thanks for stopping by. I'm sorry I had to end this like super abruptly, but I'll be back later, hopefully. Okay, bye. Yeah. Sorry.